Okay, we're gonna write, translate, and solve two-step equations. So basically it's just what we've done in the past chapters, chapters 1, chapter 2. We were always translating, only now we're translating, and we're gonna solve it with the process that I've taught you. Okay, so twice a number increased by 5 equals negative 25. And then you go ahead and you solve it with our steps. Go ahead and add negative 5 to both sides. And you get 2x is equal to negative 30. Divide both sides by 2. X equals negative 15. Then that's your solution, of course. And then you go ahead and check it. 2 times whatever you got for x plus 5. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30 plus 5 equals negative 25. Checks. Got what you started with. So it's pretty simple. Basically, it's just translating. That's all. We're stuck. There we go. 4 times a number minus 8 equals 28. Same thing. So 4 times a number minus 8 equals 28. And then, of course, you go ahead and solve it. Adding 8 to both sides. You get 4n is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 4. N is equal to 9. Take it, plug it back in up here. 4 times 9 is 36, minus 8 is 28. Checks. Okay, moving on. Translate this sentence into an equation. When 5 is added to the product, remember what I taught you with product, quotient, sum, and different, it connects to the word and right there. So 5 is being added to the product of a number and 8. So you have a number and 8 and you're adding 5. The result is 12. And then, of course, you go ahead and solve this whole process. 5 times a number decreased by 9 equals negative 6. 3 times a number increased by 7 equals 18. And when a number is subtracted from the product, there's product, connects with the word and there you go. So we're finding the number. 9 more than, I don't know if you remember, but I taught you when you see the word than, you start from the back and go forward. 9 more than 4 times a number is 41. And then you go ahead and solve it. Add 9 to both sides, then divide both sides by 4. N is 8. 6 less than, again, there's the word than, so 6 less than 3 times the number is 15. Go ahead and add 6 to both sides. 3n equals 21. Divide both sides by 3. N equals 7. And then go ahead and go back and try and check it. Miss Blake earns $48,400 per year. This is $4,150 more than 3 times as much as her daughter. So here's our equation. So 4,150 more than 3 times her daughter. And then go ahead and solve. Her daughter earned $14,750. Tammy spent $175 at the grocery store. That is $25 less than, there's the word than, less than 4 times as much as Ted. So there's your equation and solve it. So just remember, when you see the word than, you start from the back and work forward. In a canned food drive, Sam collected 12 more cans than Louise. Together, they collected 128 cans. Do you remember when we started off in chapter 1, I said always write down your people or what you're talking about, and then work from there. So Sam collected 12 more cans than Louise. So basically, we don't know what Louise collected, but we know that Sam collected 12 more cans. Together, 2x plus 12 equals 128. So the question is, how much did Sam collect? So once you go through this and you add a negative 12 to both sides, and you get 2x is equal to 116, divide both sides by 2, x is going to be equal to 58. That's what x is. So that's what Louise collected. Remember, Sam collected 12 more than that. So you're going to take that 58, whoa, and you're going to add 12 to it. It's 70. And you can double check to make sure that equals 128. And there you go. Yep, 70 cans. During the summer, Kyle, so there's Kyle, and then there's Matt. Kyle picked 8 more tomatoes from his garden than Matt. Well, I don't know what Matt picked. So Matt is your x. Together, so you put this 1x with this 1x, plus 8 is equal to 32. And you go ahead and solve. And you would find that Kyle picked 20 tomatoes. That's it. Good luck.